Hello, Professor Filmings or TA, whatever's grading this, whatever's watching. In this video, I'm going to be making a web page, just like the practice test that we did. Besides, this one's going to be about a movie instead of the Billy Ghost story. So here, I went ahead and did a bundle install and yarn installed. I didn't want to wait around and sit during the intro. But for the movie series, I chose The Hobbit. And I chose The Hobbit because I recently watched it. Ran a marathon on it on HBO Max. It's streaming right now on that platform, and it's really cool. I saw it before when I was a kid, when I was younger, and it was really cool to watch it as a marathon or in consecutively. But anyways, so I made my folder already, as you saw earlier. I did the installs. So what I want to do is CD into it, change the directories. So mine, I named it explanation video 2 for obvious reasons. So go ahead CD into that, and then we start our Rails server just to make sure everything's good to go, and you know, go localhost. So right now it says yeah, you're on Rails. Everything looks good so far. So go ahead, keep that. Stop the Rails server. So now I want to go into Visual Studio Code, and then what I want to do is I want to open the directory or the folder I want to work in. So it was going to be explanation video 2 folder. So first thing I want to do is I believe we have to make our routes, right? Yes. So to do that, we go to our config folder, and then it should be our routes in here. So I don't exactly remember how to write the routes, but the video should I mean the web page should show us. So you just do that. Um, so copy. You know, we do need two of them here. So one for welcome, right? Welcome, and then another for review. And then so I know we have to generate our controller page, right? And to do that, all we do is Rails G for generate, and then controller pages, and we should be good. And I'm gonna save this, right? I'm gonna save this, and we should be good to go. So next, I'm gonna run Rails routes to check if my two routes are good, and then you see the top two, they're looking good. Mute my phone, sorry. Um, so next we go ahead and work on our controller page. So what our controller page is essentially it redirects, right? Redirects and controls the where it links up to. So now we go to apps, go to controllers. Then you see our controller page successfully generated. So here, what we need is two of them. So we need def, and then mine's called welcome render space welcome and then end, and then I also need to make one for what's called review render. Um, so after that, we're looking good. So what I want to do now is I have a picture as you requested saved on my desktop, and what I want to do is save that in the apps assets images. I want to go ahead and drag that in there and add that to an asset. So later when we can pull it up, when we add it to our view file, we can essentially have that image right there. So next, what I want to do is go ahead and make my HTML files. Um, so in that we go to apps, We go to apps. We go to view pages. So right now it's empty. But what we want to do is make two HTML files. So our first one's gonna be called welcome for reasons. HTML.erb. Yep. And then what I want to do is make another one for our second page, which would be called review.html.erb. Okay. So to make these files, I already have it pre-typed up. Not necessarily the files, but the information I'm gonna be putting on the file. So I'm gonna go work on a review one first, just because it's shorter, and you know, we're already on it, so it's easy. So I'm gonna copy that. I have an H1, HW, close it, slash H1, and we're gonna have a paragraph, right? Paragraph. I'm also gonna copy it. It'll be a little long if I didn't. So I enter just to make sure my ending paragraph is in the thing. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fully make the page, because the page wants us to link it, right? So I believe sorry, I don't really know the syntax for link, but here's the syntax for linking it. And it doesn't have to be in the paragraph, so I'm gonna leave it out of the paragraph. And it's not gonna be about page. It's gonna be called welcome, because this is a review page. And then since this is a second page, I'm gonna be like click here to go back. Okay, and then that looks good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, just because I know I need it for the second page. So change the path of this, just so when I when I click on it, it can go click here to learn things appropriate. So for this one, I know I need a header, right? One header, two header close. And if I remember correctly, you wanted two headers. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, change it to H2. That's just welcome. And I chose just have a welcome exclamation mark, and then my paragraphs. P. This is a little long, but it's fine. And then you also requested a list to be on here. So starter list, we go UL, and then we gotta close the UL as well. So there we go. And then inside the UL, we need our lines. So LI, I believe, slash LI. So I believe I have 5 facts. So I'm just gonna paste it 5 times. 1, 2, 4. And then what I want to do is, the best way to do this. Okay, well, I guess typing would be pretty efficient right here. So, and then total is 5:43 minutes. that looks good. So what I need for my first page is you also requested a image tag, so I will be going back, add an image. So I'm also going to use the sizing that you told us to for our first assignment, just because I think it was pretty decently sized. It's well sized. I mean, and then it's not going to be Billy Goat. It's going to be hobbit.jpg. And since we already added our picture into it, it should be good. So now I should be finished, I believe. So I'm gonna CD back into it. Right. I don't know why I closed the terminal in the first place, but I did. And CD into explanation video. All right. So now I'm gonna do Rails S, start the server, and if I hit the localhost, wait. Explanation video 2, config, make sure my controller page is good, HTML files are good, config, routes. The routes are good. The only thing I'm missing is the redirect. Oh, okay. So that makes sense. So right now I have to type in welcome in order to load up the page I wanted. So this looks pretty cool so far. And I click here to learn more. But I think what we wanted was a redirect to the you wanted to automatically redirect to the page. And where to do that is, I believe, one moment. So we're doing our roots. So we want to do root to redirect slash. Now thinking about it, I probably should have copied it, but it's fine. So now after we save that, we Command C, Control C, and then we start up our Rails server again once more. Then this time when we open up a new, so close that and then go localhost, you should go to redirect us to the, I don't know what happened because I accidentally clicked something. But so this is my page, and just to click, make sure the links work. And it looks good. Looks a little good. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I did everything right. Thank you.